Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. In this video, I'm going to show you how these special CCTV cameras deterred this potential burglar using this very advanced human detection software packed with many preventative features. Here is some footage from a real incident that took place with one of our customers based in Leeds. It looks like this person was checking every vehicle in the cul-de-sac, seeing if the car doors were unlocked. The camera then detected the person when walking over the preset tripwire line. This then activated the camera's inbuilt strobe light to start flashing. This lets the person know they are being watched and it deters them away from the area. You can see the human detection software identify me walking around the property. Up to 4 tripwire lines can be configured per camera. These are the blue lines you can see on the screen. If anybody walks over one of these lines, it will trigger the camera's strobe lights and also alert the customer's mobile phone. They can see the event in real time or they can play back the recorded footage. The cameras also have an inbuilt microphone and speaker. This is to allow a two-way audio conversation through the mobile app.
Simon, great cameras. Now please leave the property. Thank you.
The cameras also have an inbuilt siren, which the customers can activate via the mobile app from anywhere in the world.
Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance.
For both domestic and commercial properties, we can add a 24-hour remote CCTV monitoring service. You can arm and disarm this via your mobile phone, just like an alarm system. If there is a human detected, staff will study the activation in real time. If there is a perceived threat, they will make live announcements via the tannoy speaker system, call key holders, and will also call the police if necessary. We also supply and install thermal cameras for improved detection. Again, once a person is detected, it can go through to the monitoring station, events on your mobile phone, trigger the strobe light on the camera, also trigger an automated message. I hope you have found this video informative. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be uploading a lot more of these videos. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.